friends, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I have for you a Walmart haul. Lots of great finds, so much to cover, so let's dive in. For those of you that are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Stacey, and my channel, we are all about budget-friendly fashion, home decor, and more. And if you'd like to join our amazing community of budget-friendly, fashionable friends, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit that thumbs up while you're there. Number one is this cardigan top from the Beach Lunch Lounge line. Just love saying that, Beach Lunch Lounge. Try saying that 3 times. I say that every time, but you could start your day off walking on the beach, have some lunch, then lounge around. But this cardigan has a classic style with the horizontal stripes going all the way around. It's also available in a black. It is a cardigan knit material. I shouldn't say cardigan. It's a ribbed knit material, full buttons going all the way down, nice V-neck. Now I noticed on the website that this particular top had a tank top available underneath. I did pick this up in store. They didn't have any tank tops in stock. It was only the cardigan. So I will have that linked below because you definitely this does sit a little low, so you definitely need something underneath. Now the sizes available are extra small through double XL. I am wearing this in an extra small. I would size down. There's a good amount of space in this shirt. It has a good amount of stretch to it and a good amount of length as well. It's also, I think I already mentioned it, it's also available in a black. And like I said, I will have my height and weight in the description below along with the links to everything. Number 2 are these straight leg pants from the Time and True line. They have a 28-inch inseam. They are in this black color. There are 3 other colors available to you. They come in sizes 2 through 20. I am wearing these in a size 4. I'm noticing as I'm moving around, these pants are becoming loose. There's a good amount of stretch to them. I believe, they're a cotton rayon blend, but there's a good amount of material here that I would recommend sizing down. I definitely could have gotten away with a size 2, as you can see the space here. It has a nice flat closure on the front with a button on the inside. There are belt loops, 2 front pockets, and then you also have 2 back pockets. These pants are priced at $19.98. If you're looking for an inexpensive pair of work pants, these definitely have a clean, streamlined look. I'd recommend checking these out. Number 3 is this wrap top from the Sofia Vergara line. This is a peplum waist. It has an elastic waist. The peplum flares out just a little bit, skimming the hips, creating a very nice silhouette. It is a V-neck style. It has some flutter detail along the sleeve. I picked it up in this floral wine color. It's also available in a black. The top is priced at $22. The sizes available are double extra small through triple XL, and I'm wearing this in an extra small. So I would recommend staying true to your size. This, if you are fuller on the top, it would be a little bit, it kind of sits a little bit low, so keep that in mind. That's why I would recommend staying true to your size. This top is 100% polyester. Now friends, do you like when I include the fabrics and the materials in my details? Let me know in the comments below. But I have to mention polyester just for a moment here. Now when I usually hear that fabric, I automatically think cheap and uncomfortable. And a few of you guys have even made that comment in the past. Well, upon talking to my mom, she was like, oh no, today's polyester is much different. So I did a little bit of research, just a little bit. And I found out that polyester was introduced in the 1940s. It was an inexpensive alternative to cotton and wool. However, it quickly had the reputation of cheap, uncomfortable material. But today's polyester is much different. The way it's created, it is more sustainable to the environment with all the modern advancements in technology. It's a lot lighter, thinner, and most cases softer. So I thought that was interesting. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Again, I wanted to share that with you because whenever I hear polyester, I think, ugh. And then half the time I'm usually like, oh, this is so nice. Number 4 is this square-necked ribbed top from the Time and True line. I picked it up in this dusty rose color. There are 3 other colors available to you. It's available in sizes small through XL. The top is priced at $7.98. It is a rayon spandex blend, has a soft ribbed neck knit texture. Now, this top, cute color, love the square neckline. It is very clingy. For me personally, I don't like anything clingy to my lumps and bumps. So keep that in mind. And I'm actually wearing this in a size small, which they reference sizes 4 through 6. But it does, as you can see, it is just kind of clinging all over the place. Maybe if I picked it up in a black, it would be better. Keep that in mind if you go for a lighter color and you don't want anything too clingy, but it does have a good amount of stretch to it, and then that ribbed texture all throughout. Number 5 are these wide leg pants from the Time and True line. They have a 31-inch inseam. They are comfortable. They're a cotton polyester rayon blend, available in sizes 2 through 20. I did pick these up in a size 4. I would stay true to your size. They are priced at $22.98. Just a fun pair of pants, that nice wide leg style we're seeing a lot this season. They have more of a faded, I wouldn't say distressed because there is no distressing on these pants, but more of a faded look. You have your 2 front pockets and then your 2 back pockets. There's also a raised material seam on the center. I feel like these pants have such a little retro vibe. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Now, I paired it with this top from the No Boundaries line. I shared this top a couple videos ago. I will link that below as well. And then, of course, the booties, I'll get into those in just a moment. And friends, make sure to stay until the end of this video. I'm gonna share some footage, just some kind of sunset footage and whatnot at the end. Most of you guys know I am still in the cabin, obviously, and we'll be here for a couple more weeks, so I will keep that at the end. And if you're not subscribed to my newsletter, be sure to subscribe to my newsletter as well. That comes out once a week, giving you updates on any sales that could be running, also some inspiration for putting some outfits together. Now, off to our next look. Number 6 is this flutter sleeve top from the Time and True line. It has a ruffled detail around the neckline, a button and keyhole opening in the back. That flutter sleeve, it's in this ditzy pattern. I actually shared this top in the black plaid pattern in a previous video. I will link that at the end. Did not realize I actually picked up the same top just in this floral ditzy pattern. Great, wonderful, relaxed top. Has a good amount of little space to it and flow. I would stay true to your size. Now, this is available in sizes extra small through triple XL. I am wearing this in a size small. It is 100% cotton and priced at $13.98. Has all these fall colors, which are just so cute. Guys, I'm really liking the feel of these pants as I walk around them more and more. They're just so adorable. But paired with these, let me know what you think of this look. I think it has fall written all over it. But it does have a little bit of a relaxed fit. And if you prefer to untuck your shirt, you have that a good amount of space, or a good amount of length to it, I should say. Now, do you prefer to do the front tuck, the full tuck? Do you prefer it untucked? Let me know. I know for me, I go back and forth with the front tuck. Sometimes I will do a full tuck, or sometimes just leave it out so it's all over the place. Number 7 is this flutter sleeve top from the Time and True line. This top is 100% cotton. It's available in sizes small through triple XL. I am wearing this in a size small. Picked it up in this green color. It's also available in this beautiful yellow color that would be perfect for fall. Now, this top's only priced at $7.98. It is a lightweight, thin material. Has, again, a good amount of length to it if you prefer to do that untucked. Kept it with these jeans because, guys, these jeans are just so comfortable. I can't get over how soft they feel, but I love all the little floral detail throughout the top, and again, the flutter sleeve. It's just a great way to step up an outfit, even though it's just an inexpensive t-shirt versus just kind of wearing a white t-shirt or a plain black t-shirt. This has a little bit of detail throughout, so it just kind of steps up the look a little bit. I have another pair of wide leg pants for you guys. This is number 8. Time and True wide leg pants. Picked it up in this chocolate color. It's also available in a green color. They are a cotton rayon blend, available in sizes 2 through 18. These have a 30-inch inseam, priced at $24.98, and they are a cotton rayon blend and very comfortable. Have a relaxed fit. Check out that little flare of the wide leg jeans, just so cute. Does have the cargo pocket over here on the side. I'm noticing it's only on one leg, 2 back functioning pockets, and then 2 buttons in the front, zipper obviously, but it has that wide leg style. This would actually go great with a bodysuit underneath. Has anybody tried out that bodysuit? I believe it's a bodysuit. I will drop a photo here. It has that mock neckline. It is sleeveless. Oh my gosh, it comes in a 2-pack. It looks so cute. I haven't been able to order everything. Everything I'm picking up is in store, which is great. Friends, if you can't find these items in line, everything I did pick up was at the local Walmart, so hopefully it's in stock at your local Walmart as well. But yeah, these wide leg pants are a lot of fun. This would also look cute with a pair of sneakers, a little denim jacket, having that bodysuit underneath, because they do have a good amount of material flow to them, if that's even a thing. Number 9 is this V-neck top from the Pioneer Woman line. It has a tie cuff along the sleeve, V-neck style, with all of this beautiful detailed embroider around the neckline. Check out all that detail, all the colors of this top. It does have a flowy, relaxed fit. I picked this up in a size small. It's available in sizes extra small through triple XL. Also picked it up in this bright, bold red color, which I think is such a chic, bold color. It's also available in a navy and a white, priced at $22.99, and a cotton fabric. Now it is very lightweight, has a good amount of length to it. I think these would pair well with a pair of leggings. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Most of her tops do have a relaxed fit, so I would recommend sizing down. With this particular top, I could have gotten away with a size extra small. Now, who are my Pioneer Woman lovers out there? Let me know in the comments. I have been watching her show, oh my gosh, every Saturday morning for years since my kids were little, and no, now her kids are grown and going off to college. I don't watch her as much as I used to. Now I've kind of ventured off doing other things and creating these videos for you guys. So thank you so much for subscribing, watching, leaving me comments. I'm really having a good time sharing all these finds, fashionable finds with you guys, and just kind of stepping up my own personal style. Number 10 is this athletic top, priced at only $7.98, available in many different colors. This is just a great everyday look. I paired it with these Avia pants I've shared a few times with you guys. I will link them online. They have a nice wide leg. So this top is available in sizes extra small through triple XL. Actually, it is priced at $6.98. It is very lightweight, thin material, great for working out and definitely keep you cool. I wore this the other day walking around town, and it's like 95 degrees out right now. Definitely kept me cool. Short sleeve V-neck style, polyester spandex blend. Now I also picked up these sneakers, running sneakers. These are actually bestseller jogger sneakers. Let's see, they're priced at $14.98. 9 colors available to you. I picked them up in this gray toned color. I actually I picked up these sneakers last summer in a white color, so they've been carrying this line for a while now. They have a good amount of cushion to them. So if you're looking for an inexpensive pair of sneakers to run errands, you can definitely wear these to the gym. There's not much traction on the bottom, but they are not slipping like some other shoes have in the past. They have a breathable knit material on the upper part, and then, like I said, I would stay true to your size. Now, I've also been wearing throughout this video, let me check in my notes, these bestseller block heel mules from the Time and True line. These are a block heel. It is a 3/4 inch heel. Coming closer there, so far away. It's a 3/4 inch heel. They're priced at $22.98. I picked these up in a black color. They're also available in a cognac. They are also available in like a bone cream color and an almond toe shape. But also I wanted to share one other item with you guys that actually my husband picked up when we were at Walmart, and I thought, oh my gosh, this is such a handsome shirt. It is a nice long sleeve button down plaid detail. I know the holidays are coming up soon. It is the end of August. The way things are going in and out of stock, it's best to prepare early. Now let's see, what did we pay for this top? This is, $15.98, but look at the gray tones in there, all the plaid detail. Thought it was a really cute top. But friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks again for watching. Remember, keep shining, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. Bye.